In this tutorial, we'll show you how to create an Airbnb gallery type. To do so, go to your WordPress dashboard. Go to Modula, click on Galleries. Click on the Add New Item button. Give a title to your gallery. Click on the Add New button. You can upload images from your computer, from your media library, from a folder, or a zip file. For our example, we will add images from our media library. Select your desired images. Click on the Add to Gallery button. Click on Save Gallery. Select the B&B gallery type and set the desired settings. Click on Update Gallery. Let's take a look at how our gallery is showcased on our website. Head to Pages and view the page where your gallery was added. The first 5 images of your gallery are shown, and the rest appear in the light box when clicked. That's it. This is how you create an Airbnb gallery type with Modula.